KC Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
After a dry end to the work week, it was back to the scattered showers and a few thunderstorms pushing across portions of Acadiana today. And they got an early start as they began to move in as early as 10, 11 o'clock this morning and have continued through much of the afternoon. But now most of that activity is coming to an end and should remain quiet through the rest of our evening. But I do expect another round of those pop-up showers and storms, not only Sunday, but lasting throughout much of the next upcoming work week. So let's look at the big picture and show you what's going on. We continue to have the old boundary that came through on Thursday, now basically a stalled front along the east coast down into the Gulf. That's where we have better rain activity still throughout most of the day, extending back into central and the Big Bend, Florida region, and then up along the east coast. Now there is a little bit of some swirl that the National Hurricane Center is watching just off the Carolina coast. They are giving that a 10% chance of development. Not really expecting a whole lot with that, but will continue to produce some scattered showers all the way up and down the east coast and then back through the Gulf of Mexico, and that's what produced the scattered showers and storms across our areas. That front kind of began to work in with a southerly flow helping to push those showers moving from southwest to northeast through much of the South Louisiana through our Saturday. But you can see now as we go into the evening, most of that activity is fading. The clouds are even beginning to fall apart, so that is the good news. But we will keep a close eye on this. You can see about an hour ago some decent showers, but look how fast they are falling apart as they're losing that heating of the day thanks to those earlier showers. The atmosphere just isn't really primed to keep them going. Temperatures, because of the rain, have kind of cooled off a good bit, sitting now at 83 degrees here in Lafayette. We got 84 in New Iberia. Most of Acadiana sitting in those low to mid 80s, and I expect temperatures to continue to fall, so it should be a comfortable evening with the showers kind of falling apart. Not a whole lot going on the rest of our Saturday night, and we should wake up to dry conditions for our Sunday with a fair amount of sunshine to begin the day. But just like we saw on our Saturday, we'll have those isolated showers beginning around 11, 12 o'clock, becoming more numerous, pushing into the afternoon with a couple stronger ones. Not expecting any severe weather, but could have some heavier rain pockets from time to time that could produce a quick half inch, maybe an inch of rain in some locations with some thunder and lightning. But outside of that, not expecting too many concerns with the rain, and then they fall apart heading into Sunday evening. The other model, very similar picture. Dry through the morning, but as we push into the afternoon, good chance. We'll go 50, 60% chance again that you'll see at least a passing shower at some point. Again, there'll be the typical showers, only maybe lasting 30, 40 minutes. Similar story then for our Monday. Dry in the morning, giving way to afternoon scattered showers. So just kind of have that umbrella with you, not only the next couple of days, but for a good bit of the new work week as we continue to have this deep tropical moisture along the Gulf Coast. So good shower chances each and every afternoon. And then by about Wednesday into the mid part of the week, we'll be watching this area, deep tropical moisture that will be moving from the Bay of Campeche up into the Texas coast region of the western Gulf by about now we're heading towards Friday afternoon. Still a good bit of that tropical moisture. Not looking at anything too defined, so we're not expecting a tropical system with this, but definitely some tropical moisture heading towards Saturday, starting to really get some tropical moisture. That could possibly become a broad low pressure. Again, not really expecting anything tropical in nature, but it does look like a good chance for some heavy showers. This is now about Sunday afternoon as that moisture begins to really push on into South Louisiana, then eventually working its way up towards the North Mississippi, but still giving us a good chance for some deep moisture continuing even then into the following week. So that's something we'll be paying attention to. Right now, as mentioned, not expecting a whole lot of tropical nature, but could bring some heavy rains and also the possibility of flooding by next weekend. So something we'll be keeping an eye on. But in the meantime, just a few stray showers out there, otherwise decreasing clouds and pretty comfortable, getting down into the mid 70s for an overnight low. And then tomorrow we just do it all over again. Morning sunshine, but then as we go into the afternoon with the heating of the day and all the moisture on the ground, we'll have that 60% chance for some scattered showers and a few thunderstorms during the day. Beyond that, it's just more of the same. Rinse, wash, and repeat. Temperatures in the upper 80s to lower 90s with those daily rain chances. Not going to rain all day, but just a good chance that you'll get a pop-up shower or storm at some point throughout just about every afternoon over the next week. And then those rain chances do go up with that possible tropical moisture heading our way by next weekend.